Hi everyone, my name is Devshikar Laha and I welcome you to this video session. I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, I will show you that how to install and run Ubuntu 20.04 LTS in Microsoft Windows 10 using Windows Subsystem for Linux. The Linux operating system Ubuntu 20.04 LTS will get from the Microsoft Store application of Microsoft Windows 10. Here, this version of Ubuntu 20.04 LTS provides terminal or Linux command line environment, which is a text interface to your computer like shell, terminal, console, prompt, etc. And LTS stands for long-term support. Before installing any Linux distribution on Windows, you must enable the Windows Subsystem for Linux, that is WSL, and the virtual machine platform. So let's see how to install and run Ubuntu 20.04 LTS using Windows Subsystem for Linux in Microsoft Windows 10. So let's see how to install and run Ubuntu 20.04 LTS using Windows Subsystem for Linux in Microsoft Windows 10. Right-click on the Windows Start button and choose App and Features. It will open App and Features window. Click on the Programs and Features link inside the App and Features window. It will open Programs and Features window. Go to the Turn Windows Feature On or Off link under this Programs and Features window and click on it. It will open Windows Features. Maximize this window size. Scroll down below and you will get an option Windows Subsystem for Linux, which is currently unchecked or not enabled. Click on the checkbox of the Windows Subsystem for Linux to choose it for enabling. Under the same window, you will get another option Virtual Machine Platform, which is currently also unchecked or not enabled. Click on the checkbox of the Virtual Machine Platform to choose it for enabling. Now click on the OK button and the wizard of the Windows feature will start to enable these two features. It will take some time to search the required files to enable these two features, and once the searching is done, the wizard will show you about the changes applying. Next, when the installation is done, the wizard will ask you to restart your computer. Click on the Restart Now button to restart your system. Windows will apply the changes during the restarting of the Windows. Once Windows get restarted, you are ready to install and run Ubuntu 20.04 LTS using Windows Subsystem for Linux. Now in Cortana, search for Microsoft Store application and click on it to open the application. Once Microsoft Store is opened, search for Ubuntu and press Enter. it will show you the list of Ubuntu application available. In this list, you will find Ubuntu 20.04 LTS Linux. Click on the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS icon to start the process of installation. Click on the Get button to start installation wizard. Now Ubuntu 20.04 LTS will be downloaded. It is around 450 MB in size. Depending on your internet connectivity, it will take some time. Once download and installation is done, it will prompt you to launch the Ubuntu. So you are almost ready to use Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Now you can click on the launch button or minimize the Microsoft Store window, and in Cortana search for Ubuntu. Click on the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS icon to launch the Ubuntu. Now the command line interface of Ubuntu will be opened, and it will take few minutes for pre-final configuration. Then it will ask you to give a new username. Give a new username according to your choice, like here I am giving Ubuntu. Next, it will prompt you to create a new password and confirm the new password for the newly created user. After that, it will take some time for final configuration, and finally you will get the dollar prompt of CLI, that is command line interface. So now you are ready to use the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Let me show you by running some commands like pwd, date, whoami, echo, ps, etc. So that's all for today. In the next video, I will show you about the upgrading of WSL into WSL2 and convert this CLI Ubuntu into GUI, that is graphical user interface. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you have understood that how to install and run Ubuntu 20.04 LTS in Microsoft Windows 10 using Windows subsystem called Linux, that is WSL. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section below. Please do press like and subscribe button to support. Thank you again.